Morning, sir.
Morning.
May I know your name?
I am Mahendra Kumar Narayanan.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Kharghar.
So, how old is your child?
So I've got two kids, a son aged 12 and daughter aged 7.
So, what kind of music academy were you looking out for a child?
So basically, right from the formative years, I think my son, who's named Indranil, was keen about music, and he showed some aptitude towards playing the keyboard. So we put him in a couple of classes, and then somewhere we felt that was not going good. The family has a background of music. I used to be a professional singer, so we thought that it is good that our kids also have imbibed that talent. So it is good that they look forward to it. My second daughter also plays the keyboard, and she learns Carnatic music, vocal, and also Bharatanatyam.
So, which were the other music academy did you visited?
So in Kharghar itself, there was one Rhythm Art Academy, which was in closer to Sector 12, where Indranil went for maybe almost a year. This teacher was good, but of course it was not a very structured program. And also in terms of the notations, etc., the English notations were not taught. It was more like and it was kind of whatever the teacher felt that day, it used to be taught, and it was not too good. We were happy to then find out about Euphony.
So based on your experience with Euphony, what are the two good things that you really like?
So Euphony, I think, is a very structured program. They follow the Trinity School of London curriculum. Bela as a teacher is really great, wonderful. I think she puts her heart and soul into the program, into the class. They've got a very nice setup here in Seawoods. Very nice atmosphere, nice classrooms, and more importantly, I think that the students are able to learn the facets of music, the intricacies of music, and the way it has to be learned.
So, and anything that could be better?
So I think it's all good. I'm just hoping that Euphony family grows. We're able to have a bigger place, have more kids, and I really look forward to this journey with you, Euphony.
On a scale of 1 to 5, if you want to recommend Euphony to other parents, what would be the rating? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
I think very close to 5. It should be between 4.7 and 4.9 somewhere. But I think I'm pretty much happy with this class.
Thank you.
Thank you.